Introducing the Advin Health Care PTCA Balloon Catheter, designed for precise and controlled dilation of coronary arteries during angioplasty procedures. This high-performance catheter supports accurate lesion crossing and effective vessel expansion. The balloon is made from advanced, semi-compliant material, providing uniform inflation and predictable expansion. Its smooth profile allows easy navigation through tortuous coronary anatomy, ensuring controlled delivery to the target site. The catheter features a low-profile tip and excellent trackability, supporting smooth advancement over standard guide wires.